Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss about organometallic compounds and organosulfur compounds. This is unit 3. So what is organometallic compounds? Organic compounds contain metal atom, that is called as organometallic compound. Organosulfur means organic compound contain sulfur atom, so that is called as organosulfur compounds. So the example of organometallic compound is Grignard reagent. What is Grignard reagent? Alkyl or aryl magnesium halide are called as Grignard reagent. So then general formula of Grignard reagent is RMgX. Mg is magnesium metal, or it may be alkyl or aryl. X is halogen. It may be chlorine, bromine or iodine. Okay. So examples of organometallic compound is methyl magnesium bromide, phenyl magnesium bromide, benzyl magnesium chloride. These are all example of organometallic compounds. So next is preparation. So the Grignard reagent is prepared from alkyl halide. The alkyl halide reacts with the magnesium turnings in the presence of dry ether or alcohol free ether to give Grignard reagent. So the reaction is methyl bromide reacts with the magnesium in the presence of ether to form methyl magnesium bromide. Like that, bromobenzene reacts with magnesium in the presence of ether to form phenyl magnesium bromide. So this is the experimental setup. So it is a 3-necked Rb flask. In one neck dropping funnel is insert. In another neck stirrer is there. In third neck condenser is there. This is the experimental setup of to prepare Grignard reagent. Next, synthetic uses of Grignard reagent. It is used to prepare other organic compounds. So the first uses is preparation of hydrocarbon. So Grignard reagent reacts with water or alcohol to form corresponding hydrocarbon. Okay, so RMgX, that is Grignard reagent, reacts with water. Here alkyl and hydrogen from water, both are combined to form hydrocarbon. So the magnesium is removed as magnesium hydroxide halide. And the second reaction is Grignard reagent reacts with alcohol to form hydrocarbon, and magnesium is removed as magnesium alkoxy halide. So next, preparation of primary alcohol. So the Grignard reagent reacts with formaldehyde to form a complex. So that is organometallic compound. So formaldehyde HCH double bond O. Already you know that in double bond O, the one bond is shifted towards the oxygen atom, so it gets negative charge. Carbon loses the electron, so it gets positive charge. So Grignard reagent is split into R minus Mg plus because magnesium is positive. So magnesium gets positive charge. So what is the product? R CH2 O MgX, because R is added to CH2 unit, MgX added to oxygen atom. So you get R CH2O MgX. It undergoes hydrolysis to form primary alcohol. So next, preparation of secondary alcohol. Instead of formaldehyde, here we use acetaldehyde. The reaction is same as formaldehyde. So acetaldehyde reacts with the Grignard reagent to form a complex which undergoes hydrolysis to form secondary alcohol. Next is tertiary alcohol. Instead of aldehyde, we use ketone. So ketone reacts with the Grignard reagent in the presence of ether, followed by hydrolysis to form tertiary alcohol. So next, preparation of phenols. So here aryl magnesium halide reacts with dry oxygen or dry air to form a complex C6H5O2 MgX. It is just insertion reaction. So oxygen is inserted in between phenyl and magnesium. So you get C6H5O2 MgX. It further reacts with 1 mole of aryl magnesium halide to form 2 moles of aryl complex which undergoes hydrolysis to form 2 moles of phenol, and magnesium is removed as corresponding hydroxide compound. So preparation of aldehyde. Here we use hydrogen cyanide. So hydrogen cyanide reacts with the Grignard reagent. So the reaction is, among this 3 bond, one bond is shifted towards nitrogen atom. So nitrogen gets negative charge, carbon gets positive charge. Grignard reagent also split into R minus Mg plus. So or we get RCH double bond NMgX. It undergoes hydrolysis. First carbon nitrogen bonds are broken. Next nitrogen magnesium bonds are broken. So you get aldehyde. Nitrogen is removed as ammonia. Magnesium is removed as MgOH. So preparation of ketone. Here we use methyl cyanide. Okay, CH3CN. It reacts with the Grignard reagent and followed by hydrolysis to form ketone. Then preparation of acid. So carbon dioxide reacts with Grignard reagent and followed by hydrolysis to form acid. In carbon dioxide, so one of the bond is shifted towards oxygen atom. So oxygen gets negative, carbon gets positive charge. So Grignard reagent also split into R minus Mg plus. So what is the product? RCOO, the MgX. So it undergoes hydrolysis to form acid. So next preparation of esters. So Grignard reagent reacts with the ethyl chloroformate to form ester. So here MgXCl is removed. What is the remaining part? RCOOC2H5. This is ester. Next preparation of primary amine. So Grignard reagent reacts with the chloramine. What is chloramine? NH2Cl to form primary amine. So here also magnesium halide is removed. So what is the another product? Primary amine, that is RNH2. So next preparation of thioalcohol and thioethers. In both these reaction, Grignard reagent reacts with the sulfur first. And for thioalcohol, the formed product undergoes hydrolysis. For thioether, the formed product reacts with the formed product reacts with the alkyl halide. Okay, this is the difference between these two reactions. So first reaction is Grignard reagent, that is RMgX reacts with the sulfur to form sulfur compound. It undergoes hydrolysis. I show here the splitting of sulfur magnesium bond. So you get thioalcohol and magnesium hydroxide halide. In the second reaction, Grignard reagent reacts with the sulfur to form organosulfur compound, that is RSMgX. It reacts with the alkyl halide. So you get RSR. So then magnesium halide, that is MgX2, is removed as another product. Next preparation of metal alkyl. So alkyl group have metal atom. So that is a metal alkyl. So here 2 moles of Grignard reagent reacts with the cadmium chloride to form dialkyl cadmium, and magnesium is removed as magnesium halide. In the second reaction, 4 moles of Grignard reagent is used. It reacts with 2 moles of lead chloride to form tetraalkyl lead. Here R is methyl, means you get tetramethyl lead. So what is the product? R4Bb, that is tetraalkyl lead. Then 1 mole of lead is removed. Magnesium is removed as magnesium halide. Thank you.